क्यों पसंद हूँ?
एक्चुअली ना मुझे बचपन से एक फौजी बॉयफ्रेंड चाहिए था, बस बात यही है।
मैं रश्मि की तरफ से हाई कोर्ट में केस फाइल करना चाहता हूँ।
So I have with me two very talented, very prominent faces of Indian cinema, Abhishek Banerjee and Priyanshu Penyoli. And now they are coming together in Taapsee Pannu's new movie, Rashmi Rocket, set to premiere on 15th October on ZEE5 Global. So these are the lines I was supposed to say, so I did that. So welcome guys to Android Pulse News with Namita.
Thank you, Namita, for having us here.
Thank you for having us. Yeah.
Okay, so I was researching about you guys yesterday, and Abhishek, I was like, he's from Kirorimal College, I'm from Venki, and I'm from Delhi. So, and Priyanshu, you are born in Delhi, so we have this Delhi connection already.
Yes.
Yeah.
But I was
like,
a baby. I was only a toddler. I was in R.K. Puram sector 3, I think, when I was born.
कितने महीने था तू दिल्ली?
The first few years of my life. I think
that's it.
2-3 years.
That is enough.
4-5.
You are a
That's enough for me
Delhi.
to be Delhi.
Yeah, I used to live near R.K. Puram, so I know about R.K. Puram.
Okay.
So I was thinking, this Delhi connection, let's have a very fun interview with Delhi ka people.
चलिए हिंदी में
But then I realized, I'm sorry,
हिंदी में करना है अंग्रेजी में करना है दिल्ली वाली इंटरव्यू?
किसी में भी कर लो.
चलो ठीक है. Atlanta US है, so I don't know whether मतलब वहाँ पे समझ.
So let's make it a English interview.
चलिए ठीक है.
Yeah.
Okay. So then I realized that this movie is bringing up this very serious topic, and we shouldn't do a fun interview. We should dilute the topic if we do the fun interview. So let's start with Rashmi Rocket's topic. It's a very serious topic, and the gender verification test of women athletes.
मुझे यहाँ क्यों लाया गया?
ब्लड टेस्ट लेना है रश्मि. आप अंदर जाइए और सारे कपड़े उतार लीजिए.
सारे कपड़े.
एसोसिएशन जेंडर टेस्ट के नाम पे काफी लड़कियों की जिंदगियां बर्बाद करता है.
So, were you aware of this topic when this script was presented to you? Let's start with you, Abhishek.
No. I had no clue about this, and I almost thought that it's a fiction, and I thought that somebody has just created the story, and I wanted to check the authenticity of it. So I spoke to my dad about it, and he told me that this is something which is very relevant in the sports authorities across the world, and women get disqualified as women. Imagine, women are getting disqualified as women. So they're said to be homemakers, they're said to be anything, but they can't be playing sports. So that's really unfair, and something like this, I think, needs to be a central topic, a prime time topic, and not something which is forgotten. And that's what I think we make films for. I think we make films to bring out conversations in the society. And Rashmi Rocket brings that out, and I'm very, very proud that I've played one of the parts in the film, and I saw the film last night, so I think I'm more attached to it now. Once you see the film, you really truly understand what it's trying to communicate, and what it's trying to communicate is beautiful. And so it was all in all a great experience.
Yeah, because I wasn't aware of this biasness. And this movie is bringing up that topic, which is not very well known. So Priyanshu, let me ask you this: what was your reaction when you saw the script for the first time?
Same as Abhishek said. I was really unaware. I didn't know something like this exists in the world. And I came home, and I heard it first time from Akash, this whole plot which he had the story about, and I said, are we taking cinematic liberty? Are we making this too dramatic, or does this really exist?
Yeah.
And I googled it, I searched about it, and then I learned how many women athletes have faced this issue. They have revolted against this, they have filed cases against it, and and it's kind of suffered. They've had the major suffering in their life just because they've been pointed finger at. And it's humiliating, right? You've been kind of that on a gender, you're questioning them.
आज नहीं तो कल इसकी सच्चाई सबके सामने आने वाली थी, क्योंकि लड़की कम लड़का ज्यादा है ये.
वैसे रश्मि के बैन का आपको फायदा हुआ होगा ना?
देश को हुआ है. At least we don't have a fraud in our team anymore.
एसोसिएशन जेंडर टेस्ट के नाम पे काफी लड़कियों की जिंदगी बर्बाद करता है.
And if they're talented, we should be actually supporting them. In fact, they don't get facilities. We should be supporting and helping them. But with this test kind of a thing, we're actually pulling them down. We're not even taking them to the next step. We're actually taking them 10 steps down. And their life, the way they get affected. So I think what I really learned, the way we wanted to make the film also is right through the heart of these characters, whether it was Rashmi, Rashmi's mother, her husband, and everybody gets involved in that case, that how they get affected by such a thing.
मैं नहीं चाहती कि हमारी गांव की लड़कियां इस रश्मि की तरह बने.
लड़के जैसी.
कमजोर.
रश्मि वीरा ने इंडियन एथलेटिक्स एसोसिएशन के खिलाफ ह्यूमन राइट्स वायोलेशन के लिए एक पिटीशन दायर किया.
Society starts looking at you very differently, right? And somebody suddenly says you're not a woman, and how do you prove yourself? Everybody will start pointing fingers at you, the media, and your village and the town where you are. So that's the kind of story you're trying to show, that how this person goes through the suffering and then fights for her rights, which is very, very important to do.
Yeah, and now let's talk about your characters. Abhishek, you are something who's given us all kind of characters. In Stree, you were this bhoot, and in Bala, you were this in this comedy character, and then of course Hathoda Tyagi. No one can forget that. And of course the Mirzapur. You both are in Mirzapur in 1 and 2. Yeah. That is the common part. So in this movie, now you are playing this intense lawyer. Altogether, you changed your persona altogether. So. Tell us something about your role being as a lawyer.
मैं रश्मि की तरफ से हाई कोर्ट में केस फाइल करना चाहता हूँ. I enjoyed it thoroughly. There's a play called Court Martial, which is very popular in Delhi. I think every theatre group once they perform that play. तो मैंने वो पहली बार देखा तो मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगा था, and that's something which I really enjoyed. And I think, Priyanshu, correct me if I know, but it's basically Few Good Men. I think they've basically taken that only adapted as a play in Hindi. Yeah. So yeah, I mean, and then I saw Few Good Men, and then I think I really loved what Tom Cruise did. And Tom Cruise is always, supposed to be this chocolatey, that Mission Impossible guy, and then and I was very young when I saw that film, so I was like, "Hey, this is Tom Cruise doing a lawyer? Like, what is happening?" And he's just being like putting on chashma and behaving so like a non-charismatic guy. And the only thing about that character, because of course everybody talks about Jack Nicholson, and it was wonderful. I mean, of course, there's no doubt about it. But I always gave it to Tom Cruise. I was like, that इसने किया, और वो मुश्किल था. And वो दिख भी रहा था कि उसके लिए to stand in front of Jack Nicholson and do the scene, that is also his high. And that was so true to the character he was performing. So somehow, the thing between them was beautiful, because they were almost, so that's thing which I realized when I started rehearsing for it. I realized that lawyers are also performers.
ये लड़ाई उन सब औरतों के लिए है जो एक बेतुके टेस्ट की वजह से अपनी जिंदगी में बहुत कुछ खो देते हैं. वो सारे एथलीट्स, इस देश की बेटियां इस कोर्ट से ये उम्मीद तो कर सकती हैं कि उनकी सुनवाई हो.
So they also, do a lot of rehearsal, and they then go on stage, बोलने वाला था मैं, but in the courtroom, and then they perform. They start performing. So it's exactly that. I mean, I needed to perform to be this tough guy, or on court. Probably I'm not a tough guy off court. तो ये जो duality थी, I think इस character की, वो play करने में मुझे सबसे ज्यादा मजा आया. That I really was happy with the Ishit, which was not inside the court, and then once he's in the court, he's different, and sometimes he breaks out of character and he becomes Ishit, but then comes back to his normal self. So just to play this duality of a person first and then a lawyer, that I enjoyed more, because I know everybody's asking me कि वकील कैसा लगा. अरे तो वकील से पहले वो इश्शित है, वकील से पहले वो एक इंसान है, and then he's that, whatever profession he's into. So I really enjoyed it.
And Priyanshu, what about you? I think for the first time you're playing the love interest of any heroine, right? And how was your experience playing this love interest? I know this you're going to be dancing and romancing Taapsee Pannu in this movie, but what was your takeout from your role?
क्यों पसंद हूँ?
एक्चुअली ना मुझे बचपन से एक फौजी बॉयफ्रेंड चाहिए था, बस बात यही है.
We are definitely trying to do a very different kind of a mature love story. That's the idea, to play a chemistry which is unspoken, a chemistry between a couple which is sometimes just through their eyes and not, you don't have to say every time, things that I love you, I love you. All that is not happening with it. So you're going to see a very beautifully brewing story where two people just connect because of a common factor, and they appreciate each other, they respect each other. And slowly how this guy, especially what Gagan and I had to play, coming from an army background, I've seen army officers all my life. My father, I've seen him, and I took small things and learned things from different officers. And I said, as you should said, everybody has dual personalities. In fact, they have different kind of personalities. You are different in front of your family, you're different in front of your friends, you're different in front of in a meeting. As an actor, we present ourselves differently. So I wanted to do different shades of this army officer and not just be a commanding tough guy. An army officer is not always that.
Right.
He's simple, he's shy. In fact, he gets scared of Rashmi sometimes. So all that is there in this guy. He's a normal guy. Yeah, he runs away. I mean, Rashmi is the violent one, I think. So I'm the she's not really violent one, but I mean, she's the tough one, if I have to say. But he's a different kind of tough. He's the one who will just say one line and can just shake you up. He's that one who will just look at you and will tell you that this is what I mean.
Yeah.
So there are a lot of these small things which we wanted to integrate into a character like this, and kind of make a love story which is not said, which is not through holding hands only, which is just by being with each other, just by balancing each other emotionally.
The feel of romance, the feel of support.
That's what you look for in your partner, right?
Yeah,
you look for that emotional balance somebody can give you, and can support you when you're really feeling low, and can just help you by one line. And somebody, when you're feeling low, and your partner just comes up with a hot tea and a hot coffee and keeps it in front of you. You're like, oh my God, suddenly my day has changed. I was just feeling low, but this guy knows the right way of doing it and the timing of putting the coffee into me. So
what was your experience working with Taapsee? This question is to you, both of you, and I need a very quick answer.
Taapsee is an energy ball. He's a rocket. We keep saying that. I keep saying that she's a real life rocket. Of course, her dedication, hard work, we can see the way she is performing and in many roles. I always thought she's a very serious kind of a girl, but I had never met her before. But now after meeting her, she's fun.
She's a Delhi wali too, na?
She's a Delhi wali too. So she was, we were discussing everything from Chole Bhature to, and she was on a diet. So we used to, just to have fun, we would discuss Chole Bhature and all that. And Akash is also foodie. उसके सामने और करते थे हम लोग उसको और जलाने के लिए. मजा आता था, मतलब बहुत, I think all of us were on the same page and on a very good comfort level. इसलिए हमने मजे में बहुत एक अच्छी फिल्म बनी.
What about you, Abhishek? How was your experience?
No, she's amazing. I have known her, and she has not changed a bit. And exactly what you said, she is a Delhi की लड़की. और हर बात पे हंसी मजाक ठट्टा, that's exactly how she is. And suddenly she switches from being this jolly person to the character, and then switches back to normal. So and very hardworking, and sticks to her schedule, sticks to her timeline. Only working, very hardworking girl. So it's very inspiring to see someone like her, and inspiring to be around her, because you also, that dedication rubs off you also sometimes.
Thank you so much, guys, and all the best for your movie. And we're going to watch this movie on October 15th on ZEE5. Thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you
so much.
Bye-bye.
हार जीत तो परिणाम है,
कोशिश हमारा काम है.